Hi everyone, I'm back again with another video for the channel. This time it is an unboxing for all my Halloween stuff that I would like to get through to this year. I don't think I'll be able to though. We'll see what we can do, but for now you're welcome to go grab yourself a drink or a snack and we'll get into this. I have four things today. And we're just going to start off with the one that's actually covered. So welcome in everybody. Welcome to my channel where sparkle starts and never ends. Alright, so the first one, all this is from Temu. So these are Temu finds. The first up is this wonderful Halloween wreath that I actually bought a while back. And this is one of two wreaths that I actually will show you today. I'm not gonna lie, I'll probably get to this one last, but we have that. We have your normal kit that you come with. So you got a green boat, plate of wax, and a diamond painting pink pen. Sometimes these will come with baggies, but this is all you would need if you would just bought this from the store to diamond paint. And then we have the drills, along with the chain. And these are all kitted up for you. They're special drills and shapes. So hold your ears. I'll start the crinkle machine up. Alright, so that's like a light gold. I got some orange, so we're going to have a lot of oranges in this one. There's another orange right there. It's like a burnt yellow or something. This is the non-special drill. This is the 310. Let's see here. Oh yeah, okay, so here's some more crystals. Might as well get the crystals out of the way first. Beautiful green. And a beautiful purple. So now on to some special drills. Special shapes. And I just love these. It's like an AB orange, where it shines like purple and everything. So perfect for Halloween. Here's an orange marquee. A green AB marquee. We have some tiny marquees. I mean, those are really tiny. And we have some purple pearl type of crystal there. And then the chain is right there in the bag there. So again, this will probably be the last thing to be done. I'll put that off to the side there. This is my second wreath. Alright, we got our standard kit there. I got so many of those lying around. We have our beautiful drills that we will look through. Our chain. Alright, so here is the second wreath that I bought. Again, this is off of Temu as well. And I really liked it because of all the jack-o'-lanterns. I will probably hit this one up first and hang it on my door. Again, I just love jack-o'-lanterns. So again, these ones are all kitted up in baggies, all ready for you to paint. And as soon as I find out, there we are. So again, we're going to have some beautiful fall and Halloween type of things. So this one here, looks like it has the kit number already on it. So we have a silver, We have a gold, an orange, again a 310, which is a black, non-special, non-crystal. We have some blue, light blue. So another shade of gold. And here comes the special shapes. So there's a very, very, very tiny marquee. That's going to be fun to actually put on. A silver tiny marquee. So we're getting a little bit bigger on the marquees, but there's one of those reddish AB marquees. Very gorgeous. So these ones look like red gemstones, or rhinestones. They have beautiful facets on them. Those are going to be really sparkly. And here is a pearl type of drill that looks like it has a AB topping on it. I really like, I don't know, I used to like Halloween a lot, and I think I like it now more for the decorations than the candy. Alright, so that's that one there. I think up next, I think we're going to do this coaster set. I think this was bought a couple years ago, so again, hold your ears, crinkle machine incoming. And this one does not have the, this one here does not have the thing, which is fine. So again, standard kitten everything. Our drills, which we'll look at in a minute. So these looks like they are kittens and pumpkins. I can't wait to do these. Again, they're not they don't look like much now, but wait until we get them into the drills on them. So we have that one. Oh, that is cute. That is cute. So we just have a jack-o'-lantern on this one that says Halloween. There's another jack-o'-lantern with a little kitten. And our last one. Kitten with a Halloween or our witch costume on. Alright, where are... I never get into these things because I have no idea. Oh, they're rare. So this one looks like it comes on the train. Oh wow. This is... So it looks like that's going to be a pink, little pink. There's some green, darker green. That looks like a very, very, very deep red. Purple. I'm going to say burnt yellow on that one. There's some gold. Either some orangish red, I guess, or orange. That's red. Orange. A light orange. We got some yellow. Light purple. Dark purple. Couple bags of 310, I believe, and some silver. So those are the coasters that I got. And again, guys, I have no idea whether I'm going to get to all these or not. I'm hoping I can. And the last thing that I have for you guys is a keychain set. I have no idea where the heck this has been, but wet bag. Hopefully everything's okay with it. So again, we have our standard kit and caboodle. We have our key rings, and I have a tree. It's like a Christmas tree, but I think I'm going to change the name of it to a what do you call, diamond painting key ring tree. So these are actually double-sided, these keychains. So we have that little guy. There's gonna be a few cats in here too. So there's one there. Another one. Okay, this is adorable. Have a pretty little ghost, cute little ghost there. That's cute. Okay, that's pretty. Oh my word. That is adorable. So Julie, if you're watching, there's going to be a lot of cats in this set of key rings I have. There's a scarecrow. Another little Halloween kitten. Another Halloween kitten. I think I have the entire litter here. Okay, now this one here is my favorite. I just love jack-o'-lanterns. There's a huge jack-o'-lantern there. So let's look at some drills here. This is on a train. Silver train. Crinkle machine. Alright, those guys look like they're the same, which they are. So we got some gold, got some light gold, green, yellow, some orange, gray, I think. Are those the same? Yep, those guys are the same right there. 310. There's some pink, purple. Not sure what that looks like, a silver, but I think I know better than that. I think that's maybe an off silver. There's some purple. Deep purple. Light blue. Black. Oh, wow. So that there, guys, is a black crystal drill. A burnt orange. And I'm not too sure on that one, so anyways, guys, that's all I have for you today. I got the Jays. I'm going to be listening into the Jays game tonight. Hopefully they can beat Seattle to move on to the World Series. So anyways, if you like the video, please leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and we will talk to you on the next one, everyone. Bye for now.